Good morning, students. Let us continue the chapter. As you have read yesterday, that the child he is visiting the fair with his fair, the mela जिसे कहते हो, which you visit, which you see on the occasion of the Shahara Puja or Diwali, etc., etc. You know it very well. So he was visiting the fair and fascinated by many toy shops and many other things. He asked his parents to buy something, to buy all the things which he wants, but there was only refusal. And when at last he saw the big roundabout, means the giant hill, he wanted to ride on that way. And he asked his father to ride on that wheel. But see what had happened. There was no reply. He turned to look at his parents. They were no there. Ahead of him, he turned to look on either side. They were not there. He looked behind. There was no sign of them. So in his request, there was no any reply. Then he turned to look at his parents and he found that they were not there. Then what was the reaction of the child? See, a full deep cry rose. See, again it is rose. Rose, R-O-S-E, rose, verb 2 it is, na? It is not flower. A full deep cry rose within the dry throat, and with a sudden jerk of his body, he ran from where he stood, crying in real fear, "Mother, father." So he ran from that place where he was standing, and he was crying in real fear, "Mother, father." Why he was in real fear? Because he thought that he was lost. He had lost his mother and father. See, tears rolled down from his eyes, hot and fierce. His flushed, see the adjectives used for tears, it is hot and fierce. His flushed face was convulsed with fear. One can see the sign of fear on his face. Panic stricken, he ran to one side first, then to the another, hither and thither. See, hither and thither. This phrase means here and there. In all directions, knowing not where to go. Mother, father, he wailed. He was crying, he was wailing, he was crying, shrieking for his mother and father. His yellow turban came untied and his clothes became muddy. His yellow turban untied, it is open, and clothes became muddy. Having run to and fro in a race of running for a while, he stood defeated, his cries suppressed into sobs. Now he was not crying, he was sobbing. Sobbing, crying without noise. That is a सिसकी जिसको कहते हैं, धीरे धीरे सिसक सिसक के रोना. At little distances on the green grass he could see, through his filmy eyes, men and women talking. He tried to look intently among the patches of bright yellow clothes, but there was no sign of his father and mother among these people, who seemed to laugh and talk just for the sake of laughing and talking. So, among all the people who came there, who gathered there to visit the fair, he was trying to find out his father and mother, but he was unable to find them. Then, what had happened? He ran quickly again, this time to a shrine to which people seemed to be crowding. Now he reached to a shrine. Shrine means temple. मंदिर पे जाते हैं. टेम्पल पे जाते हैं, रिलीजियस प्लेस उसे कह दो, श्राइन जाता है, मेनी पीपल वर गैदर्ड देयर, क्राउडिंग मीन्स गैदर्ड देयर, एवरी लिटिल इंच ऑफ स्पेस here was congested with me, means many people were there, but he ran through people's legs, his little sob lingering. But he ran through the people's leg, उन लोगों के पैरों के बीच से वो दौड़ते गया, हिज लिटिल सॉब लिंगरिंग, धीरे धीरे सिसकी में बोल रहा था, मदर, फादर, दिस वॉज द टाइप. He was crying. Near the entrance to the temple, however, the crowd became very thick. Men jostled each other, heavy men with flashing murderous eyes and hefty shoulders. These are the types of other men who were crowded there. Their eyes were regarded as murderous eyes, hefty shoulders, heavy means. Students, you have to find out the meaning of the adjectives which I had underlined. Okay. The poor child struggled to thrust a way between their feet, but knocked to and fro by their brutal movements. Bichara bachcha, he was struggling to find out his mother and father through their feet, but he was knocked to and fro. पैरों से उनके इधर उधर वो जा रहा था. By their brutal movement. Brutal movement, समझते हो? Why the movement is regarded as brutal movement? Because they all were in a hurry to get to go into the shrine. He might have been trampled underfoot. ऐसा भी था कि वो पैर के नीचे trampling कुचला भी जा सकता था. Had he not shrieked at the highest pitch of his voice, father, mother, a man in the surging crowd heard his cry, and stooping with great difficulty, lifted him up in his arm. He was crying, then there was a man in the crowd, and with great difficulty, he lifted him up in his arm. उन्होंने बड़ी मुश्किल से उसे अपने हाथ में उठा लिया, गोदी में उठा लिया. Then he asked the child, "How did you get here, child? Whose baby are you?" The child wept more bitterly and only cried, "I want my mother, I want my father." बच्चा बस चिल्ला रहा है कि मैं अपनी मम्मी, मैं अपने पापा को, मुझे चाहिए. The man tried to comfort him by taking him to the roundabout. "Will you have a ride on the horse?" he gently asked as he approached the ring. The child's throat tore. See, again it is tore. The man, he took him, the child, the roundabout, but the child refused. The child's throat tore. See, this tore is the verb to of tear. Thousand still stops, and he only shouted, "I want my mother, I want." Now see, he had lost his interest in roundabout. His only interest was in finding out his mother and father. Okay. The man headed towards the place where the snake charmer still played on the flute to the sawing cobra. "Listen to that nice music, child." Man took him to the snake charmer and told the child to listen the nice music. And if you have remembered, the music was regarded by his mother, father as coarse music. He pleaded, but the child shut his ears with his finger and shouted his double-pitched strain, "I want my mother, I want my father." Child only shut his ears. He hadn't any interest in listening the sweet sound, nice music of the snake charmer. He only wailed, cried for his mother and father. The man took him near the balloons, thinking the bright colors of the balloon would distract the child's attention and quieten him. "Would you like a rainbow-colored balloon?" he persuasively asked. The child turned his eyes from the flying balloon and just sobbed, "I want my mother, I want my father." So all the things which he earlier wanted to have, now he had lost his interest, all those things, in all those things. His only interest was in meeting with his mother and father. The man, still trying to make the child happy, bore him to the gate where the flower seller said, "Look, can you smell those nice flowers, child? Would you like a garland to put round your neck?" Again, he offered to put round garland his neck, but the child turned his nose away from the basket and reiterated his sob. The child turned his face and only said that he wanted his mother and father. Thinking to humor his disconsolate change by a gift of sweets, the man took him to the counter of the sweet shop. Man took him to the counter of his sweet shop, sweetmeat seller, and asked him, "What sweets would you like, child?" You see, he wanted to have barfi and rasgulla, but his father refused him. Now this man was offering him to have any sweet. But the child only asked, देखो, see the reaction of the child. The child turned his face from the sweet shop and only sobbed, "I want my mother, I want my father." So this was the reaction of the child. This was the child psychology. For him, his mother and father is the only his word. No? So, friends, in this way, this chapter is completed. What you have to read, you have to read it and find out the questions, answers. You know, relationship between parents and child is valueless. There is no cost of it. No value. It is valueless. So, friends, you have to attempt all the questions, and this question, talk about it, how to ensure not to get lost. What you have to do, you should not get lost in mob or in crowd. And also, as you have got ample time, you have to read you may have had the time to read these novels, Coolie or Kabuliwala by Rabindranath Tagore and the Coolie by Mulk Raj Anand. It will give you a lot of ideas, and story also, interesting story it is. So friends, please read the chapter and try to find out if there is any problem, and if there is any problem you may ask me, and please write the answer and send its pic to my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you. Have